Okay, we're on Amazon Web Services, Cloud Services. This here is the activity of the free Linux node. And here you can see QJack control, which runs actually on this node, and has this big screen as its X server. At the same time, we are here in a terminal simulation currently provided by the AWS. And here we see the same node. It's a simple node. It's just like 1 gigabyte of memory and one thread and some gigabytes of associated drive space. I have a music set here on the local, so on the server here, which contains an example audio file, which I'm to you here now. We're going to play that audio file also via this server on this node. Well, then we're going to play it through the effects as this is the graph that comes from.
Yeah, all right. So you hear a little bit of that through it. Without any going on, so talking through the music, and a bit louder.
So here we connect up the end player on the AWS node, and it gets through a meter, through an empty rack, and through another rack, and at the output of the other rack we put a FFmpeg recorder, MP3 recorder, which is going to record in the space of the Apache server, which also runs on this AWS node. And yeah, so the sound effect that we then get, we can then listen to here by playing that MP3 from the AWS server node. Let's add something here in the effect rack. And the equalizer from the LED spy effects. One before and one after the look-ahead limiter. So we're going to put it at 1000 Hertz plus 3 dB in, put it on, and minus 3 dB also at 1000 Hertz. After the, here we have the look-ahead limiter at minus 17 or so, it's pretty low. A little bit higher. So, and if it all works, then we're going to be able to see these meters here. So let's see. We record, and then I play back immediately, which might or might not work. We'll see. And then I have to here start up the. Here's the AWS node, and that's from my server that we're playing that. And then we start up the recorder here, FFmpeg recorder, and then I play from the server which comes back from here, from the AWS node. And only just do that. Well, it's caching first. So it might be a tad slow.
Here we go, the drummer first.
Now there's more.
That's the bass. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it's pretty slow now. It also doesn't handle this in HD.
Yeah, all right.
But we saw the whole graph work. Start this recording. Let's see if the end was recorded too.
This is to make the point clear of where the sound plays, not the song now, it's the text.
Suppose we close 1 meter, input meter.
All right, so there we are.
Play something that we're not going to hear. See if we can, yeah, here it is. It's kind of slow. But it works. See here the limit point, if I put it higher, then the meter goes higher. And here it is almost limited to the max. So all those things work.